So big, big, biggest. Listen, big God, oh, big God, oh, so big, so the big cannot describe you. Big God, oh, mere words can't describe the God you are. So big God, big God, big God, oh, so
Jumano Medeo. If I check your time, 28 after 3. Utie Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. And a Wednesday, we could September Bosumene de Trosso Eduno Mieno. Na a free sabre kwa kopem sebebo nyume no nsia ye no etna se ewo OfieKwanso dwumadi eso. Enchebia ye be share videos of our time. And we chini be share somewhere edit you hofo. Na ye dey around the world in 5 minutes abroad. Afi I get responsible bebo akwem. Na ye bro so koye ni mo a sana ehye no etie nemom de ho say videos of our time me pese oba na be hwe video no enche bia me borrow mu Facebook no sesi ana very worrying pa sesi baby a emabunu de omani a kire no ha dwen na yamfa yenyi ho anjim anhwe anni ho dwuma ebejinsem enti yebeka ho asem eti mpacho baby a obia no obetimi a join in say ekwan no wo ho kwa na wo access to Facebook a mpacho obetimi aba Facebook Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook na fe wa join in na videos of our time yenyina ya che sa video no ena ewie ye to check ese fama Care Kids toothpaste papa ye de strawberry awono enti mama friend twi omo se a ya akono anikanika kama e protect your gum no prevent cavity e mama son ye strong and healthy a ban of freshness there so we kremu ani all day na etemu FD so emu hwemu agye atumti mo fa no mo adi from 2 to 6 years no ya na wa mama de Care Kids toothpaste no etwi omo se kama pa Samara Company Limited na kofa de aba Care Kids happy smile na your fast da Emma Pan African Savings and Loans ya tutu su promo no guso koso den enti obeje bese a interest rate ankaka no obetua no ene ya teso aba from gra. So why don't you take advantage of the reduced rate now and grow business? Your Greater Accra, Eastern, Central, Ashanti, and I have 4 regions nina emu. Obet me a friend. Now I train baby I be more direction to the nearest branch now I business. 057 555 7777. That's 057 555 777. Choose Pan-African. Choose greater strength. Nafe Dominion about powder or #1 immune booster. No. Airborne normalize blood pressure no. Na kidney and heart related problems in now so a year for your wash stroke diabetes tete or ye dwumake to bia na wa bre. Obomo de ama onsaka Dominion about powder ya. If it's me say dwumadi na de ama. I was at the year say wa ma onsaka ba kwa no pa. Hot water or magna now cap now the teaspoon as Sabia Mukanimu animu ya Joanna no. And you may repeat the same thing. Vim nebeba. Nana watching her bar. King's walk her bar. Hallow Seba. Little George Health Shop walk comes 5 tema. A favorite patch ventures and who now crowd on side ever come your. And yes, I should share Angels Dominion Bar Center Chia Cry Ewo and Coco. With me after 0543 that's 0543 158 195 and for 020 429 6449. Na ye dinko mo kama pa. Floral disposable handkerchief. No. Ye can for the amount say be now who betimi atene abrini na. Na ye say all the usual cloth handkerchief no be show botum. Apipa ne ma na gusu show botum say na de nam debi. Use floral disposable handkerchief. We use we are no disposing of kama. Tembia na hwate. Also look out for floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, floral box tissues, Yeah, Nina, yeah, available in a shop near you. A bonus with the phone call. Open the door, Fred Delta Paper Mill Limited. 0243 033 033. Adaroma, you were coming here this way and Omukremu, yeah, no, see the videos of our time, bro. A patrol baby, I will be no. But what dear, so bet me quadia bra. Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM. Na ebeshe ene video no. Na yenhwe. Ehe na yetinye, ehe na yefomye, ehe na yeraye, ehe na yekofaye. Idea be wi baby a ewie yin. Ha dream papa. Na etwa se ye nyina yitimi ede kwadwendwem na yehunu baby e de be kwa akosie. Kane na ade bi ho kra wankasa kra wadwem kra wodwen ho no kra no na wo hwe wachi empie mfi wano maaye o ba sa dwen na about team no kra keke no kra no you are just standing around to see say if there's somebody around you are enei mabunu abai hwe mfa ye ho. We talk anyhow and do things anyhow as if say de ye bia no eni sunsuanso but ewiase mu so ade bia be ye bia wonu sunsuanso se aya na yira na fio se nim na ye nimu na ye de pesa. Food lovers rice eye mu bia e de ye pa. Rice meal bia de prepare bia say fried rice, jollof rice, wachi rice, whatever rice. It cooks nice pa. Let that one be your preferred choice. And very easy to cook and it tastes great in every grain. Your bonus samrani say food lovers rice was made for better eating experience. Market baby ubenya biho. Afi Aquatab water purification tablet. Self-dissolving tablet. What the tunsu mu a eno a hunugum kama. De ye say microorganisms a wodo wo nsuo mu a wontimi fa wani hunu nanso won betimi akofa waterborne diseases abro no eko mu nyina kama abreni nyina ti unya yare a yenya fi nsuo bone enumu da omukura ne saman akota food safe wako krom akọ shopping for fruits and vegetables no abusia obedu fia don't wash them with ordinary water. Use Aquatap food safe. Never wash ho kama. Germs ne bacteria bia won bia no. Ebe ko mu nyina. Se be ya mudia. Munkonya amane bia. Chemical shops, pharmacies, supermarkets all do bi no no okwa on sabeka Aquatap water purification tablet. Any Aquatap food safe. One crying out per door pa free 020-907-7726. O Kumasia, Frey 050-169-24. Yanfa Kumasi number NBM 050-169-4275. Kufrudi Alfonso Frey 0244-593-381. Na do bia muhie bia no. Monsa ebeka. Afe yamra Facebook no so. Na yenhwe ene videos of our time. Very worrying video, a terrible one for that matter. Na ubisa se enene yedi eni achre. Eti abrabo ya yebo yi se ya na ebebo na de akusia na se ye besisem. Ene nipa kasa onfa ho baabi a wogina wo ka no. Nipa feel good. Hwe camera sine so. Etimi kansem a enche ebia Jeko when was it last Monday na ye enkola ya make say omusua mpanifo nti no omo so ye de omo ye You see, a koba. A bisu be simpany for so. Because enememu ye won penifo bi wo man mu a wo hye om panifi om adu ba bi akomo ababra bodu a enema bi won kran sesen kom de om gigim bi ebi asofo ebi a prophets ebi a politicians, businessmen, media personalities, are so-called celebrities. Yeah, wo krem. Just assemble ama no mo atwe cameras yo mo so. Na ye dwe ye numu kan some and someone and send them fata sometimes if you have abusive language. No more can drum je. Forgetting say the youth no so is looking up to them. Said you won't call our bonno. Sa ne won penny bonny. And like I said on Monday, the odi no sunya the odi anim ne nante. Enti de they also see it say normal. Enti bibi ani am so say metimi dwudwam na meka, let me say it as it is. And that is what is happening. Be we no be son no bells be we no mama. That is what is happening. And it is very bad. I say an hwena ni muanim ye yansesan yen suban e wo saade no ho a de betimi akofa de abrɛ no wan hwa ye hunu ba bi e de kwa akosi nanka de pa ne besi na abaiwa anka me hu ye kura de emema na ya na edom timi kikanka sanse hu you know I mean those days you go boarding school near there sometimes but eno kura no bedu fie pa you are a different person altogether. But uko school or body now, yo be no kikan sembi ubua or kikan can sing who has any idea. But the moment of you don't want some words to come out of your mouth. And now mommy and now papa and now senior brother be and now senior sister be cry at it. Now so an idiot yam penny for now a lady no. I'm young so a cool. Because of Kobani man who so I know what so camera seen so. Me say asofo nyina ye bi those who are supposed to preach the good news omo esese omo ka sempama omanfo efamu aba. Na omo de sesa free de enye ho eba de ye ho. Na omo bobra etene ne se ne fata ne so ni no. They are doing it. To boys asofo bi ne nyonko sofo nya problem. No de atena social media so. No aso camera seen so. No, I did nyonko so for na atempoto. Akika enema me meet me kan radio so. Ne fi so for no ba no di atem. We see it each and every day. Politician nyonko nya politician nya problem. No so aso camera sin so. No so dwam no gidi na atem ke kan bia yusu words be on one yes so palatable. And our so-called celebrities here will cream way. Dimwa kotene. And then you crowd the end of con. Mombe so cameras you must the attempts is here. And now we are doing so wine. No, oh, mamma, a ye now the be attempt. The attempt poto. Na mabunushe and they will fia who do more and kolan from age 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 phone now they have mobile phones almost gadgets a binomo laptops ne your friend is saying tablet almost use you. And if you baby on internet or they are connected to internet and they watch these things, they see them. And Timugusu amudi atemu amu champ wake kan somewhere ye fin and won't take and send them fatani nano and kolani suya. And Tiabeka crano so asha said practices are the nibi. And when we see it, they can say, kola bonisem subini, kola with. Meanwhile, I am penny for yan home. Abusia, Brana Basha video, Joko for video no so. This is a very young girl. According to the message in the video, say you're around 19 there about getting to 20. Now on any young for a dinkomo. No can see who and you can tell sir from the beginning of the video no a one of the amba. What you say? They are no yen hunintino. obi bizan say ntino no ye sure so be ware ana no aden na me ware ba say dem me bo ahwa na chese me kra me kan kra me feri na ba bi o kan ya o say chese ono na kosu akuma no obom saa kopem say ebedu time o be ware na be ma kon be ware dey say be man dey obebre papa. Look at what she's saying. What ya mumra Facebook video na da on Facebook no. Na watimi anya vim eka esre say on dey chese dey oye no aden a say onyin ru ba bia sentisi ande o say mu anti no o diwe from be 23 ho kona na wa pe be ma wai no na be ma kon be wai dey ne obebre papa because ade no wa use and with a smile on her face saying there's not enough of so ten chain esre no more hageno with smiles on their faces as if such as it is so cool and you are china be wouldn't baby and yami be peja odi wasi e wa brabo mu wa china bi na e bia okoko du dibia bia e kron na fi be kwhwa internet no so there on forget this how unya sa position we ya bon sa fi video na surface this na nya you lady we na no here now kan and this thing is going to be there for good. Uti anye ye no china bi udi enyame aye wadom akwakonya ware bi kwa no awo ma o da chi bi nti o ma pa no bete ebe hu video yi say enti ya maame abra no ye very young hwe and someone ye maame kania. How would you even take this? How would you feel about it? Just look at it. Abuso video na da on Facebook no. Na I am trying say metimi yi na free ho na ma bo sa we no na o de mo tie ade no on the radio and see who say by way e can with vim I mean how and like I said dear ye no eno enankola nso omo eye bi ti
na we ware
ana me ware ezi ami fa ezi ami bo ashawa na si through baby 20 mu 21 David 21 na onye o 16
so no nyi ye o 19 years
aha nti si aka me 3 years believe ni po ha fa de o bemble papa
hon na me call no o se chese na yin o di bomu a ba mintimi mmoma radio no sunti no e na me ho no e call kakra o de mutie nto aso
so no nyi ye o 19 years
aha nti si aka me 3 years believe chuma ni po ha fa de o bemble papa
look at that
zero
I don't go with daddy.
but
Enti fane se unua baabi ni a abusia video no da Facebook o da mo we wo da fane se enti unua baabi ni ana obanie enanti wo da won hu sa de because video na go viral chese be enam social media baabi a enti se obanie anampo wo de wabusuani bi baabi ni a na wo de on to hwe de wo ye wo kra sen na I mean just e fine you could do sa level we you do why this is so sad say ne baby a yetimi adunu no just say she inform who issues been where to say crowd just say e mabu just omo fa no cool just say really fala we know na really there. Meanwhile this is wrong. Say yan hwe na yan sesan ye suban a abusua e be kakra no enkola na e ba no eniem o mo beye no ye de yensa e be hye yanum de yesia susu aka so na yen te say ye ka but na eyeyenya ena maka no me yi otwe yi adoa eyeyen panifo ya yesu ne ye ban no eno ena nei ate asi nkola no mu no obra na ye bo na nkola na ehwe no eno ena omo asua de aduru ba bia omo adui se akola bone wo ho de a na che so pani bone wo ho Yes. And I won't stop saying this. Our leaders, them all. Asofo mumu say expecting more from them. Say ombe ye de se ne fatana mabunu na suano. They also involved in doing this. So for bit me din yonko so for atem eke kan sembi atim say atem di pot ho. Ne finanu mu aba. Cheso na yonko so for nya beef nti. Okay, can't go picture na anyhow no watch video dey sinu so. Twe camera sinu so no twa. Politicians yebi. Celebs yokrumo ne yebi musicians ne filmmakers ni adina. They are all doing it. Ji obi ni obi enya asem. Wa kan poto basasa. Enti mabunu susu no hu say this is the way to go. Because if they are doing it, why can't we also do it? Say ya sesa ye suban en free sa de ya ye ho a. Da chinye benu ye ho. But ebedu ono. Na aye too late. Yen fancy ya. Asem we na no. Ensan fanye futu man ya. Na yen fantu ye ho fo. Bright Garlic Plus capsules. If Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Eboa Emma unya blood circulation or like enhancing or kama improving kama pa. A sign boost your appetite multimedia DE immune system no so hoden bam na a control cholesterol ne blood pressure no sugar levels ni na dia ma kama. And your bright soldier capsules and the AM penifo adru say we a bema wadum penifi so na ene wa yemre mpamu a unya bright soldier capsules na and also a kawasem amount ebia make say wo low sperm count nti ama awon ho ayedin e de amount ni nyina ne say obema saka bright soldier capsules ebe kan bibia to din na also wetimi asan gina wana mo so bi e patro benya bia to Kings walk about and I feel Hallow Herbal ani na wo kan shi drug lane sanso and I call Tribe of Judah or Kaswa benya bi tinatete bar shops ahodo ni na across the country okwa obenya bi nyesa for any chimo Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic dodo bi onye bia no sabeka obetimi so afre 0243 983 906 and afre 0261 651 898 yan fast day dioma MTN Oguso celebrity the 25th anniversary na the MTN e ka tre nyina ne se ene Sonata Makomako 25 or they check kwa ewo MTN at 25 mega promo num because one use MTN number no fa kasa fa test fa browse na use MTN app no Pulse app no Momo app no one na we dey yes na kwa na obetimi anya kai emu bako dial star 156 hash and they now so akwantu a wutu e dey hye wo ka na obewini no ase no washa say any day ya MTN everywhere you go she has set terms and conditions at your first day your door master and Pubiman paint depot ho and our bull ne or then she from kwaba or they bo na wetimi anya apono papa e dey sisi wo dan na bibia akoye kama pa na tie watwam nyina ne say wo be enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Ranging from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, glass doors, flash doors, so bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, now wooden panel doors. Nina a bonnet dada from kama pa. Oba painter from why a partner with News Paint. And in shares from Kwan Dia Brono, a friend of paint now pay later. It is schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Yes, mama paint bia mu hia e franco paint mo adan ahodo no. Yen spread this kanam na mu tutu en kakra wa bra yen fa interest bia enka ho e ma ho. Oba na be hwen big mix machine ya. It mean mix over 10,000 colors. Pa chese o color preference ni na no ye deliver the amount amunumu wa. Bibia ni ano afren 054 274 5222 and after 050-021-2447. When we are chat kwan, I will put my on the Accra Kumasi Highway. In fact, your Pudman booth was original Pudman booth when it ya in shop no bra. Ye be up not to air channel. Na yenye business. Kama pa. Who's with 106.3 FM. Check the time now. Just about 7 more minutes to 4. Na ya twaswa Queen memory fize enchebia. They are around the world in 5 minutes bedroom. Nemo no. About the bonk ma crowd studio. Na when dear Connie dear ba have a nice song that we're going to deal with. Nafi you ready there can atwaso and ko baby.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Honey. It's office sa unkuana when him Aquataps full safe and salad nini aba udini de piano. Aquatap full safe. And I'm a door home. I said with you.
Almost sounds so Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, omode ebulu munsio, efomunsio, surunsio, any insua, and one tea, a dear one da dedum, emfa or how be a embrace. Osanko de use my pom within so in here yepa. And on Tinamato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet me de paper surfaces beer, Emma and what say. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you fear Aquataps Obama must say, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi and Kratui Atum.
Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Ya yening in dada. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof, eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Ago class. Mental. Edienu mienu eni miensa.
Edienu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edienu nai.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
If you didn't know I am Atsana, a way did you money, or British Rai Dimono, yet Hyundai Sonata Monuchiao, Baku Edianum, any Sikachi or MTN at 25 promo. Coswa for MTN no money for waterphone, Nakasa, for texting, for browsing, Faceica, Nefasenisca, Momonosu, and Preppy, and Numuna will be your points. Who bet to be the Hyundai Sonata Edianum, a Monuchiao Mubako, any Sikachi DP, Posumibia or MTN at 25 promo, or star 156 hash, and the Nasa Wakuntua would be the MTN in Kwaso, everywhere you go.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio, share because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is shall say me use Bright Garlic Plus, no, Mensanity Ninano, Menusua Chimmy, and Menuma Tunino, a giant winning now, dear Simi.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Wabama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasem Quina.
Hey, man,
Pharmacy, Kameka, and a Hebas of Biamukajo, Bright Soldier, and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wunungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic capsules, and your draw that a share FDA, I should just say a Jadian Kratway, a Jatum say, yeah.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What will be my bench depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see four contracted. When you road marking paint. What will be my bench depot? Paint to quality usual. Since why you paint and pay later? It Jessica Kakra. That's the 3 months. It's young Kane. If you was asking me how would done here. Put him on bench depot. I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So what Accra Kumasi Highway. Put him on Tobu to
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now, we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
Oh ma, pacho menya me kakra wo me Milo ni mu ana.
Na waka ahwe.
Da bi na sme hu se odi bi agum.
Hey, ka wan no hwe ansa na we bisa me.
Hey, milk na chum say.
We Milo all in one no. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk cho bibia wo mu.
Milo all in one a milk bebe wo mu dada. Ne hia ne se wodi nsu befra. No ati nwani no mu de a cocoa papa, ne malt and a milk bebe a de ahye sachet ba ko mu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDIJ dreading kratoi atumu.
All right, so welcome back. Yantwa Jumedian Sugusuti Adom 106.3 FM. Na ansa ye try ono me catch you say enkomo kakra ha ye di na ansa na no tiwi.
So we try and you fine boys know they pay, fine girls know they play. C'est ma go, c'est ma nana sur la piste, pas des blabla comme ça. Faut que ça quand elle bouge comme ça. Je prends le contrôle, je joue pas de rôle. Coup dans les reins, des soirées sans fin. Bouge tes hanches pour moi, chérie. Bouge tes hanches pour moi, ma chérie. Bouge tes hanches pour moi, bébé. Bouge tes hanches pour moi. Bouge tes hanches pour moi, chérie. Bouge tes hanches pour moi. Bouge tes hanches pour moi, bébé. Bouge tes hanches pour moi. J'adore ce que je vois. J'aime les formes de ton corps.
Ma chérie, on a un they are carried there. This all church. Okay, so but English no. All I want is your waist. Honor the meeting and that. They are cannot there. They are cannot be now. What are you talking about?
Sweet, bouge tes hanches pour moi. It means move your waist for me. Move your waist for me. Bouge tes hanches pour moi, chérie. Bouge tes hanches pour moi, ma chérie.
That easy. Anyways, how do you pronounce your name?
Le Fly.
Le fly.
Le fly, yes.
Now I know I said you say.
Le no ye French. It means
le.
The in French. Fly means fly. So basically, the fly is the fly. Le fly.
Le fly.
Yeah.
Le fly.
Le fly.
You ready? Okay. So le fly.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Ghana ni.
I am a Ghana ni.
Typical.
Now
I am fan of
your woman Ghana.
But what's not Ghana?
It's not Ghana kakra, but glory be to God, I got the chance to go out.
In the out, you find out what's now?
Switzerland.
Switzerland, what's now?
Oh, me cobra.
Where the Okobra? Oh my goodness. There's an Okoba. All right. Now, indeed. Am I treating Kanye or Deon?
Oh, yeah, Kakaraba, me Ghana, yeah, solid.
You speak more Ghana than
she.
Oh, okay. So, where you Ghana?
Me a Ghana fancy.
Oh, okay. All right. Enti, and you to share for you like how? I mean, when?
Oh, a long time ago. Even when I was little, cry, my favorite song.
I'm to phone now, so so me akolani na.
Oh, nah.
As you have a corona, the boys, so this guy that you know says, say he go come single. So count. So I mean, akolani na, you know that's it. Okay, so tell us about it.
Yeah, so basically, I was saying, say, it started a long time ago. I started taking it seriously like 2-3 years ago. But even since Little Cry, now like I like music a lot. I used to know every song. Oh, I could be there and my auntie would be like, "Hey, Nana, okay, lala." Then she'll just do the rhythm and I'll say the name of the song or I'll sing it. So yeah, that's how I say I knew I wanted to do music.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okasa ya okana na ide na efe na 19 full name angasa there before Le Fly no Bible.
Le Fly, my full name is Festus Nana Edu.
What a beautiful name. Festus Nana Echo.
Yeah.
Edu.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice one there. Anyway, enti at which point now who say that talent na wo no at least wo sha say the ye bi e befa.
I'll say when I was in Switzerland, when I was in Switzerland, like when we were going to school in the buses, we used to like just be vibing and I'll be freestyling and my boys will because Chale, we are dope, like yeah.
And now this
even me, I didn't even take it seriously.
So is this song your first?
Nah, it's not my first song out. I have like 2, 3, 4 songs out already. Then we got a chance to do the song with
okay, so yeah, no Switzerland or
not all.
Okay, so let's talk about the very first one that you did. I don't know where was
the very first one I did, but it was
how
mixed.
Did it go?
It was mixed and produced in Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just went to the studio, did my verse, and I sent it down here, and they did everything.
Okay, so now share on markets now the people that you want to appeal to because easy sir. Now also French no first one now kind now say you want to
boost the
Ostomo and easy sir for market now. So target we now get idea.
Oh, me target you Ghana for.
And I'm bush Ostomo.
Oh, I'm better. Say French for me, bro. I stole it.
Oh man. Inti omo now person will appeal to them more, like especially omo Ghana.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Say I'm from Ghana, so I want my fan base to be Ghanaians. Yeah.
Okay.
And also the French speakers, the border like Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, Burkina.
Sure,
yeah, exactly.
All right, it's all good. Inti team Ben now ni omo ye juma because we know say in order to put this together and make it work, you need a solid team on bet me. I'll push this dream, I'm gonna do baby. I'll just say, so do you belong to a record label B and now our producer B or mobile?
Yeah, my producers be on Mboami, and I'm not under a record label. I'm doing it like
I said
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I hear say you are with a new one.
Yes, featuring Famille.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Only Famille. Tell us about it.
Oh, well, it's also
and also which one you are
English.
Okay.
It's a love song basically, this one, and it's called My Baby.
My Baby.
It's talking about the little things that your girlfriend, your wife, or somebody you love does for you that you appreciate. Yeah.
Okay, so that one with familiar collaboration, you know, about saying I'm to be or Ghana. Why him on that song?
Well, I got to meet Familia through Piwizo.
Okay.
Piwi. So Piwi did the link for me, and we're searching for somebody that has that voice that can capture people at the same time. And I guess Familia came to mind whilst we were discussing, and we got a chance to work with him, and it was very nice.
And how was it like working with Familia in the studio?
Oh, it was very nice. It was very nice. Like, it was very professional. Did everything we had to do, vibed, and it went well.
Wow. Okay. And the new one, what's the title name?
My Baby.
My Baby. Yes, so that's the new one. I know it feature Familia.
Hey, Abrantier, il be familiar, Charlie.
Le flash. I make ready for your breakfast in bed. Anything you want, I go invest. Early morning, I day for your front door. Coco, and me one pie. Hey, sumo mongoneke, cyclete, odo, yanko sekete. Me found the algorithm, create you well. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. You my pop off girl with a little bit of attitude. No, yawa when I day your body. Anything you shut down, compliment your body.
Ever since I met you, I don't see trouble. We like to give it something make a trouble. Ever since I met you, I don't see trouble. My baby, you go walk this on this my baby. We had to tell them say you my lady. When I'm a good soul, I don't feel like to you, my baby. You go fuck this on this my baby. We had to tell them say you my lady. When I'm a good soul, I don't feel like to you.
I could show you love, make you know they vex me. I the craze for your love, you know they vex me. Although you woman post the pic, you know what Twitter, Insta. Love you now, you know be later. You show me something where I no go fit to dog you. You show me something where I no go fit to leave you. Although you we are cool, my body still no say we are boo. Girl, I know say you the fly. You know me, I fit take you higher. I put you on the top, guys. You know, say me and you. I made you my queen, see, I made you my queen. Sit down for the love and call me my king. Money, fame, everything. Baby, girl, see, say we win, girl, see, say we win.
Mean to me, nah,
Baby,
mean to me, try and no break.
Never.
Yeah, I promise, say I go marry you. I tell you, say I go carry you.
Quitte-toi.
Baby, là, for me, I just give me something make a job.
Quitte-toi.
Ever since I meet you, I don't see trouble.
Personne d'autre, ma belle.
Give me something make a job.
Je vois, quitte-toi.
Ever since I meet you, I don't see trouble. My baby, you go for me something, my baby. When I tell them, say you my lady. When I'm to my soul, my baby, I don't feel like to you, my baby. You go for me something, my baby. When I tell them, say you my lady. When I'm to my soul, my baby, I don't feel like to you.
Quitte-toi, ma belle.
I love the groove, man. Charlie. Let's check this one more time. Wait, lie.
Ready for your breakfast.
Lie.
Anything you want, I go invest. Early money not there for your front door. Coco, and me, who the pass right. Hey, sumo mongoneke, sikite odo, yanko sekete. Me found the algorithm, create you well. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. You my pop-up girl with a little bit of attitude. No, yawa when I dare your body. Anything you should compliment your body.
Ever since I meet you, I don't see trouble. You like to
Just a microphone I say why Benia. I just say be my lady, my baby dance. Wow. Come on.
You show me something where I no go fit to dog. Show me something where I no go fit to leave you. Or do you woo? We are cool, but it's still no say. We are boo. Girl, I no say you the fly. You know me, I feel take you higher. I put you on the top, cause you know say me that you. I made you my queen, say I made you my queen. Sit down for the love and call me my king. Money, fame, everything, baby girl, see so win, girl, see so win.
No.
Jamais dans la vie. Tais-toi. Tais-toi, ma belle. Tais-toi.
Come on, y'all.
Never.
Ever since I met you, I don't see trouble. You like to give me something to make a job. Ever since I met you, I don't see trouble. Now you baby, you gon' fuck me something, where I the thought them say, who them a go so? I don't feel like you. You gon' fuck me something, where I the thought them say, who them a go so? I don't feel like
I'm out for I love that song. I love that song. Although I'm fine. Yes, it's when I endorsed. What I say. Me sure don't you me cause my sign I say my jatu. I just say it's a beautiful song. Nice one. And I love the collaboration too, Charlie. So this one is out there at the amount for BR bit and if you want to stream it now, then I mean let them know how to go about it.
Well, it's on every streaming platform, YouTube, Music, Tidal, Apple Music, Spotify, iHeartRadio, everywhere. Audio Mac, go and stream it, share it, like, comment, everything.
All right. And finally, if people want to link up to you near there now, or handles, I don't know what to say.
Yeah, so my social media handles are at I am the fly, at IAMLEFLY on every platform at I am the fly. On YouTube is 3 Y's at the end, but it's at I am the fly on every platform.
Except for
YouTube is just
the Y's 3.
Exactly, just the fly with 3 Y's.
All right, Charlie. Yeah, that's so passing through into you know why.
Thanks for having me.
Am I hating news all the time? Yeah.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
All right. Coming out pretty soon, around the world in 5 minutes. West Courts. Yeah, they bro, right here on 106.3 Adom FM. Hey. Vibe. I was young. The Absa Connect series, no. S&A Basu Bimpa. Yes. Na Nina said, only a dream home. And they are very, very, very simple. The amount with Absa Bank, Ghana. But what they also be joining Prosper Akoto, head of our consumer lending and credit cards at Absa Bank Ghana. This Friday, the 24th of September 2021, 10 a.m. sharp. Now you discuss it topic with housing. Why wait till retirement? And then I'll try call retirement and I'll be baby a duty better. And I be can one sem. The Absa Business Connect series comes up live on the last Friday of the month on the Absa Ghana Facebook page at Absa Ghana. And yes, I'll be to me share a recorded version to gain more insight from industry experts to help you keep your business thriving and alive as well. The Absa Business Connect series helping to take your business to the next level. That's Africanacity. That's Absa. Yeah. Before we be saying Puma drinks. When him said they am a trans area be as me come from a come a my bomb dear correct pa. Me bokula. It is a umpecula bit me about orange, you know. And so a guy. Yes. You more than 150% respect now but make sure say well short pa. And I'll bet me I enjoy it, you know what I'm saying? It's a whole new vibe. They are available in all major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The door pound 0262 351 251. We are another quality product if you Preco Company Limited. Eka say FD is where Mushi Mwaja to say a pa. Or how be any H. Now, no dynamic catch or say insurance ya there a pa. Ubi a Jumedia be a wood be an answer with me near insurance at Taiwachi. Said a bear, it drew a bit more there. I'm so bit me a pension, no more boa. So make sure you insure with Phoenix Insurance for your business to continue to grow. Because you rise again when disaster strikes. Oba Phoenix Insurance, you trying claims no quickly. Now insurance policies no a dozen year pa fire, motor accident, marine, engineering, as well as bonds need na ejinemu. And it quotes me to insurance policy. Edifying short code is so *389*79*. What flow prompt with them? And yes, our dear friend, I am 0302-246-319 and I'll 0243-690-492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. And I ask them, I don't know. I was going to say, I'm going to do my weekend here anymore. I read the following. Any of the bro. As I'm home, Premindo. The 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair. I had the bro at the Junction Mall. Yes. Now the fair clinic no air bustle on the 2nd and then the 3rd of October 2021, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And what she say now, I don't know. Now there's a share a channel so say with me following when social media platforms how don't now so with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. Yeah, but for further inquiries, no afraid 0546908179. Now 0540110389. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and also powered by the Planned City Extension Project by Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own. And also sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. For DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof expert. And our Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. Yeah, so the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. Yeah.
Something where I no go fit to dog you. You show me something where I no go fit to leave you. I know you who you cool. Nobody still know say we are rude. Girl, I know say you the fly. You know me, if you take you higher, I put you on the top.
And you know my dear tomorrow, I don't know.
You know say me and you. I made you my queen, see I made you my queen.
That's right.
For the love and call me my king. Fame, everything, baby, girl, see so we win, girl, see so we win.
John Joe there no crack.
I promise it.
Yes. I'm in me home. We have some more coffee. When the alcohol to that now. Abusia nyame adoma Friday obesima chede no ye de bro na de omu nyina ne se obe answer simple questions na waje achede buburuja de akofie etibomode ahwe ni kwan this Friday ebo akwan mu over 100 chest freezers, microwave ovens, food processors, and I feel plenty of Basima food products I didn't so go on, choose foods with our Basima CEO stay strong, stay healthy. And no asem no. But me ma refi say Jumia Brand Festival no so no bre no aso a che say bibia e koso pepepe. Jumia Brand Festival Alande. It's no from Nano Ejoda 20th September Nesha say 3rd October and a berry. Nina say obe shopping all your favorite brands on Jumia and then you make real savings for up to 50% off. Also watch out for our daily flash sales 10 a.m., 12 midday and then 3 p.m. and day bro. Unyan download the Jumia app now. Abusia ma download it now. Say all these goodies no. Once I ebit me account oh dear. Jumia, your everyday delivered. And one seven. Abusia baby I do around the world in 5 minutes where it says calls. Yeah. Yeah. See what? Bema akwaba
ye nua bra pani
me patcho on to say
nyame adom de adenya balance na he
balance de a na enye me akra me balance gra me tia enye dada
sisi ayenso ye jai kan because ya kan ye jai kan
na no akwa bi wo si wo na he says Scott number no mo famra na yehwese ebenya mo kakra na eso ron na yenye na ya fe de ya ntene nka bi mu na ade na modi ehun agrosa na ade balance nye ye kan so a na mo de ye rough sa mo nyesa
Bradley
yeah
Adom okay and there we are enumre so wo pese wo fie eye da me kan fu Gini food e de ama
yes
one more Gini sunflower cooking oil, Gini sardine, Gini rice, Gini milk, Gini sardine, Gini mayonnaise.
In fact, Gini everything. Yeah.
Food product be a Gini. Emma fie
papa.
Open a dodo tour from Wamato for 0540 108 531. Mama sensi subim 0540 108 531.
Good.
Ubetimi akwa to be ababeton. Open mako so atumi ko ekokoto.
Good.
Gini food or say Emma if ye a dead papa. Omada Roma and I a day around the world in 5 minutes. Eba somo.
Great.
Yatina se afena will be abba na esese ye man akwaba. Na ende akwaba ne de me pese me ye ne Ghana. Welcome to Ghana.
Okay.
Whereby ya oban no for so anaso or what is a star. Welcome to this country. Aye. Country with your sanity. Oba no for so or san what to is a star.
Or a superstar.
Or a superstar. You can even mention some. Yes, and no more yes. Welcome to my country, ladies and gentlemen. It is not every woman's dream to get a rich guy and marry him. It is every woman's dream to eat without getting fat. But
it is every woman's dream
to eat without getting fat. Ben your dream is to be near Bemo Wuska. Men are.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you. And Mano, it is their dream to eat without getting fat. I on pese ni yefunu beba na wa
so they wish they could eat but they won't put on.
Nanka ne careful ni bi bia
I was maintaining
that is
making any fufu no banku.
Yes. On the baba Facebook ko pa bisa wo mo. If you will not marry her, one round is okay. Stop drilling holes, you will not drink it water. Me pacho. If you will not marry her, My brother, 1 round is okay. Stop drilling holes. You will not drink it water. I won't explain. Kasa, please. Right, you have to talk. Okay. Wait, why are you doing? Stop asking guys what they do for a living. They will lie to you. And then they won't research about.
Okay.
So one person who a bear man now want it no. Send your city a. Bobody am fan no compem. Aye. What the no compem 1 round or you rich. Sika one home. 2 rounds. Doing well in life. Honey. 3. Oni adwuma ye. Okwa 3 a oni adwuma. 4. One more better kura. One more better kura. You know, Emano. Emano bantu mutrim.
Na say wabobra e wo sika. But oyobi an ho odin pom betimi akwa.
Be me bi aniwa owo ni sika obeko tu da. Me. No, why ejuma no do obabeto just to satisfy your wife. Yes.
I won't dispute it.
Don't dispute it.
Okay.
Because you are a testimony.
Why money?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Only damage I'm in the bongo. Right in my mean to Kankagram. When him say Brazil. Yeah.
Okay.
Brazil.
You.
I'm a health minister. I tested positive.
Oh, okay.
Yes. This is I cried a man for COVID-19. Become positive. Obi anima de kro. Nyame adom Tunisia fonso asene 120 troops of soldiers. Say womo enko Central African Republic. Now omo peacekeeping be because they should go there and help. What him say Sudan yes coup d'etat bin so Emma no home so ai Emma en Jeko say Emma omo sovereignty council no e dey aba say coup d'etat na failure asum be mra kromo ase benteme ho ase basa yobi na omo sovereignty council na kire say coup d'etat na failure it's okay.
Okay.
Sisi aku no right ebe hwe obi unity aso exceed no ebe basa. You watch and see.
Omo be feelings no dozen.
Aye.
Yeah.
But bebre na so be succeed pa.
Omo be feelings do.
Aye, bebre na so be succeed. Internet braje we no dey no. Me dey see.
Okay.
Before I go, let me tell you something. I'll tell you 2 things before I get there.
Okay.
It is only after ejaculation that men understand that everything is vanity. Asem we mean chim. Yes, asem we mean chim. Asem we mean chim da me say. Okra ko Instagram acha brajeri type. It is only after ejaculation.
Okay. Wait and let me type.
Type it. Type it. We also a men chirim. Would you open chirimu? And the assembly men chirim.
Also,
me say it is only after ejaculation that men understand that everything on earth is vanity. Yes.
That men understand
that everything in this world is vanity. Oh yes. Yes, apart from the Bibi no how beka when ebetiazie. Yes. Dating a woman. Me say this with you. Dating a woman who is addicted to vibrator. It's like using fork to drink tea. It is heading away. Me Midi and the escort. Wokwa chimoda ye fe krobi KJB na just a brajer uka ubejebi ntimejebi Ishrim say _Scott_official follow me there French ni beka just Chevel Capel na just a brajer minu mienu ye tete saten Wembebu Makra Bibia.
Many Mabusia, Yajin Nuani Kona Bosso, Ginny sunflower cooking oil, and one was Sonia free sunflower Mediani Chea, or Nadia Bakwame Pepe Virginia, when you want to say Mediani, Virginia Moa, Bako, Bakuni, Ram Cranny, Kumeno, Namaya Salad, Ginny Mayonnaise, and Quanamia, a sunset, and Manu yet tasty, a sanso, Ginny Milka, a non dairy creamer, Ginny Sardine, and a Sardia me pepper, a sunset, who bets me dear Gianni Pia, as the winner the duo docona, who say you good. Roast spaghetti in Sokajini Ebusia Kuna, Vicenti, Beckajini Ebusia Kuna, a sunset, Ginny me fear de, Ginny dear, a coso, FD idea, Jedian Kratwayatu. Magic pepper and onion. It's a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Chino Magic pepper and onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Jadiye wo Malcolm aye kesiye na asanso aye sonko kra.
If we say Malcolm nkwani dwadi bia obenya ne omampempem ato ofa ko a womre ho kra.
Ene se Malcolm wo efie ne ejade neoma na edi sesie edan mu.
Furniture ho, electricals, ni aye die, ni aye hye, eno nti Jadiye wo Malcolm aye ndika pa.
Afi kai na hye no so se emra ne hye kakra wo ho.
Malcolm,
where Ghana shops.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And me confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit go na me srea. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Oba de ni pa e bo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho bai. E free mwawa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me de ma Kale Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Mo wonum ye gram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tumo.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Good. Yabanti yaman penifo kasana yako yenim.
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unrespected. Alligator Sports. Papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Afena nyamini pa kumchacha so atwaso na ono so de ono ode ato yanim.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Safami.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
no. Over.
Open
program one Denny Sham fast sports one T irrigated sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Okay, enti said you show your money. Any emia bi so ya to say ahya ase to no ene no obefre aba irrigated so na one my situational report because you kro mu de ensuo to ya na hadwen pa enti 0302 216561 0302 216562 oho no afi na ensuo na hihye enya mu a ka se amuna senso ahya ase gidigidi nso a miehu I am young situation. Oh yeah.
Obi and free 37 Hoba. HSA traffic be about pesos MTT for na memoir. Yes. MTT.
Aye, sir.
First name you.
MTT. I know when D. Is a division.
And annoyed.
Yeah. Obi akwaba.
Iya ni kwaku
se ohun ye
onyankopon adom
aboy no so akwa yimuni ade ade akwa na mu ada
adem de book bia na your primary school ni kan na brand ya ba ko kan na book no se ya na bi ha be na ka kwa adem o se se kon de dem ko ba bi
ade gwa kwa ba
ya drum
akwa adu se bi abo ko de
oh nyame ando
enti for mon African a patch of our course in Brown now.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Evening, brother. Yes, sir.
Me who your pa na your friend say you.
Your friend meter.
I just mean important here from our way.
Me wo Madina Royal Tree. Malcolm Neji. Road bi dem ko si Akosomo Johnson. No mo be ye gatet no. No mo ye gatet ni ti ama amna aba o ti no pa o.
Dabi enti ensuo me ba o ensuo no eto ho ana entoy.
Eto ho.
Aha, enti eya yiri mu ho. Ye be bon pa ye de. Amanyo fo ne ga so me yo mu ye enti bi se mfa ho.
Na ensuo guse na ya na ne kwakra ne say.
Woko. We know below bedroom what then. Hello.
Yeah, hello, that's
hey, oh my friend say.
I said something thank you so much.
How can I free him?
Make a Vivian Farm.
Vivian Farm Lashibi.
But I where anymore.
Oh yes, I know feel church the mass. Na enti top on.
And yet to do Pumanum and call them.
Why? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. At say
Uncle Pando Boko.
Me who say pa Dominic. Your friend say
Emilia Opo.
Emilia, how can everything?
You are Tishi.
Ne ho so to say.
You had the insurance in Munasa, Tishi is on Toro.
It me can say a woo for me.
Munate. You had it. Insurance.
I put them watching one to me.
I don't know why I'm put.
Is you tell you from home?
Situation said the Ashamante because I want so one chichiri zoo. And so bet me a sha say a good from when you be Rihanna, I review.
Zano Mazasa, I wanted to go.
No, come with you if you right. Hey, Mummy, who's that? Ashama was here.
Because of Pama, some ideas as any penny biama. The man is good.
It is Sabri is a Kwame way. Say, I said, Dika.
Won't throw penny with the
the real cause now for Kwame and any situation. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Everyone say boss.
Your friend Joe Bless.
Joe Bless, okay, everything.
East Legon, American House.
Oh, how can I say so? Yeah, had dream. Toho.
Oh,
Atwate. Oh, okay.
But that's so shawaka card.
Na Brazil was ya good man for them.
Oh, them.
Oh, Dabio, Mexican.
Na Bronya ho wan zan nzuto.
Atwate. Open here, that's why. Oh, Ashama for your mama who said the whole situation.
Unia nzuto ino wafa phone free obi Uber driver na meyira. Onyira.
Adumoni about you. Yeah, Africa like a craft Kwame mama na me say the situation it is say o Nsumia ho na why na onyonko da no da even ti ye friend nkonko ana nko ye nim
ye wie
na person the situation
o sa anwum we wo ho bo kakra fato me video ya me pese ye mfa nhya se yasema me ebi Krenso obi ba wi asi ordinary Krenso na ye sa no de obi ba wi asi Krenso, say fancy. I am making I make a Krenso. Krenso. Ebi Krenso. Kwaku Fatu mama na I tia for ni asha.
Sare no kra ne tate den.
Dan nyina wodane you.
Em say obi ba wi ase.
Ebi sa na Jacob, pia video no to mame ohun.
Boy will be very
Ewiase aye wo no senyame ya adom na se itumi koba e wa hoden nantene bibia ya yemfa sedama no na se de bi Krenso kan ye no ese ashama nso no to ti nkra ne firi waba ene de mo ntumi anjere
won jam apostle be jam
manati na ye kwa ye bei di nyame pe no ye wo ya brabo mu nti di ebesi bia no ya ye
wanya Kwame okay mama ne Kwame Kwame madwe
me josminia
na boko de
ya mi adom wadi tu after
na ensuo no
I start changing to good
me o ofie
o ku me tifie so say how to focus here me be me ko chinchi na ko train na South Africa na ba
na ensuo na to ho de atwate ana eguso to
atwate
na etoti we situation it is saying
we should have so to a situation here so there
was it I want ensuo to a cry timi eden e hono mante
akwa na kasa en se danye na e wo mu ana ya di grade am facility e fere basa no na be ni sa ben kwa
Inti amika se ensuo na ye kwan se aben kwan ho
aye ni se aben kwan a edura numre atoba no e ya pon no sa no kwan na ben kwan ya life na 435 ne de that okukuni na buogu entina aye tupa
na ya ji situational report kakra afi places near the entina ohono obia ntimi amfra amantina yenim de ekoso ntina ye pese hu se wo ye okay ya why enu ti ne enfro na emfa ha sesem bia me hihye mu sa why
na enu twa mu na kom ti twa bu ho ma ni si ho mpa cho
asembe
anano ha to for yakobo bo na flowers ti se trim
ai Ode se de na so work fa won sa flowers na mo de share maso tem na mo de de
kwaku se from one na wo no o pese wo tan de so team na wo ye team agidin a the team no etimi trend kwaku de so trend de o to travel for us
enti mo ye sa de no for trend keke on
just for trend na it was so special affair. The sense that all the radio stations in Ghana, no, they were talking about class of folk, not because of anything, because of the flowers. Only because of the public channel. The local flowers, Mobile Abuan, and yet true. Some flowers, the first year, Oceana, Brenna, what would you think?
Minim day.
Oceana, Oceana, take it a break.
Kwame, why? Etu de o de ko home why?
So
obe wada no akonya ne na okasa wondem.
Ko ka chere se flowers na o me de hye show maso no nya de di kan ni. Nya trends no mo pe bia.
People man has of folk play at Topaya, Nabansri Dana.
And it's over a trend in Mope. Numanaba.
Numanaba. For the one PB2, BT Baba.
I sorry for no one answer. Next time I didn't go phone. I don't call the bay. I know for other than Yamia this our child, Manasaka, and I. No one wants a one on. Here you might term credit. What by boss would I hear you burn out the marriage? Oh, you better say,
Pacho enyom na ye bono ehu video ene da Facebook no Charlie we are sensem doso me pacho joining on Facebook so access to Facebook and ebe hwe
nyame wa dum na se utimi na nte koba faseda ma awurade men ka se unia na unya dwuma nye na wo na won sanko dia yero ho se obeye bibi na wo hwa brantie ya
it is star no it is say no o ye dinante
sa no nante
oh
uti ona osiku mre ku
uti mo
adwem
Charlie
mo oh what in a nine in San Nipedia no denanti on the nine Nipedia nkasa ena ordinantie na Adom for who no mobile man be kakra sense we won't me adwuma bia
wo kwai
hey fampo
no say o head towards road no musa no driver ni bia anya careful pa wa run over him crowd
o say ifunsu sabi o ya chachanso
you boy go na chika kra
no bruni friends a hunchback so what access to say the kokokan on Facebook or there on so bra na be hwe bi na dia dance say wo na won sanko dia da bia ugina wo ya adwuma bia
again o sorry fiti anopa one press wa bisi sabi on na awurade ase a
danase
sabri ye ina no da o ye bia no wa bi wa na de awurade ase for your life
danase right danase
ozo timu se wanyi kakra o
oh yeah onya kolasa
omuni mun che
listen and in I go phone. I don't call the bear. I know for other than Yamia Seda. It's our child, Manasaka. Ubakua Fansa, Umianua Fansa, one will be Fansa, the Yawaye, a Musu Papa.
Aye.
Dani nyina.
Wa sorry anantimpo de nyina odani nyamiasio.
Zunzumbo afwe.
Aye yibe na de meradi. Aye. Eddie.
Mo biara mo kan.
Oh yeah.
Yeka obi wo so a ne nan ne nsa nyina so. Ekwa adwene no fa so ye adwuma ni different.
Kazagu mic no, kazagu mic. Say eno enye yindia no.
Oh sir.
Eba de eba na.
Hello.
Oh just.
Okay.
Akweso why no ho real bru ba o. Producer why no ho real bru no papa na ni agba.
Abantie bi so ono no. On de nyame ball no ma ne na ma ne nsama na ni ma bibia but. Mse da bre utwafa ho kakrakra. Ne dofo to utwafa ho ya.
Fa na yire chi.
Ya. Na akoshe toilet so ye ko. Ena ne dofo no ba ye obi. Mpacho fa video ne to ho. Why? Ne dofo no be pie no so no so hwana na kasa no so nyemi no obi a na kasa no so okay. Okay, ma me hwe phone no. Ma me hwe phone na toilet na ogina ho na.
We say na de o flush no.
De phone na to toilet mo a flash. I'm on for my Facebook no remember her papa no. Papa ni mo nyam for pa o. O ti ko na no ba na be pie no. Ya nanimu agimi sei. Enti no ban so de o se hwana na ne kasa o se nyobi. O so kasa o phone so. Obani so fa phone man na no dia o dia to ayinma o
flash e ka be fie.
To obani bi e na se phone ko. Phone ko da.
Eni ada ho.
We di ande anya di but
eni ada we di ache no ya che no
say ade a oyeye wa boka pre no because say wa mo be hu sampa utwa di fa ho ena tu ofon soso na akwem
but odonere
odonere asa na so
en say eni ehu a enye time because oba no eyesi no utimi say so onimo oba no da bi ti
asem na nya no kure ebi wonu ma ani na hu kure time say ani na hu
Dabi oti we.
What you say?
Ade bi ho ade o mu ne say.
Be say ade bi ho ani na hu a airtime kra ne hu ya nke.
O dabi obo a. Ani hu anya tan. Hwe, de o mu ne say.
Hu say kan bi ho no a.
Akwa de o yi.
Hu a. O to ne bo ase.
Jasa. Ma de o yin ti eni na yi.
Obani.
Ohun se wa.
Kan bi ho no a yiri hu.
Ohun se wa fa na chi. Oba na wa no e chen no ana o chen oba class still
obeni
obetwen man
ya no difference room opa my phone no my man difference room me na me ka kire o
di na ye wen ya pa
obeba pa na je se kosu egu me headings our friend na we say anade pa na how want to go
fa sa giri
dey fa na dey oya ya oba betu mu fi o dey mu oba betu me
so ti ase woni be na bia ya ti papa me no ti
ba nim say Kwagwe we say de anko yie no mi ken so se wo hwe nanim kura enhwe bisa no na ade aya na ema eye won yammo no kura ti ameka se ani ehunu enye tan ne se o wa na o kaakai se ade ya o de ron ni o de akọ sa bai wa na o so de the same two o de akọ
when sans we ye ni no yin na batobu so I need a talent.
Baby, a talent.
What a talent. Is there a quantity case close? But you are 2 men, one answer.
That is easy.
I know one taka say nipa. Your boy and him when you 90 or science mukra free and I see you mama. Oh, would you tumsa? Say your name and one difference can create in a woman.
You see, whom am I?
Whom am I?
Because
something into move.
Video, my dear, Debbie, my who picture beer. Say no, I'm pa. Any panel and was it.
Oh, now say if you move us, and say,
if you want,
oh, what's that? The tea you just a pay. Shakokui for ye. So Kokubi or not say, or you need Kakran wood now as any pow. Anyway,
I do a nekoku, yeah. Difference ne say ye no ye wo adwene a ye de
they can't communicate like we do. What I say.
Yes, intina abrofo ehu omo say abrofo de mo pem asem ba. Yeah. Mo pem asem ba.
Picture ya mi ya de a che say African so afim ya ba.
Video bi a me wo video ndie min timi akoko a ado ya wo ripo akoko.
Ale de na no.
Nazam kitwo. Abo kokko na jire wanu atwa no.
O de takrabo ase ye.
O be bia takra no no. A o tofa no. O de ni fios anu abia peja kosoro. What is su or what? Na
akoko na say aduane.
Akoko na aduane. Video na no de
obekunu.
Video na no de ntina entimi show je say eye me nwanwa say na utimi say Adom no so wura no ogina ho
no so say
no video sa aran say obi akoko
umpe aba bi mfantwa no to ma ne nya jibi na jibi
say so fu bi o wa ha na boys no bompaye ay so ko say ya munya jibi no ya bompaye mama Ghana ay ya bompaye to upon the microphone no ko if you don't say munya jibi no ready na me wanya video no
obinya
wonya idea ne
aba obani we unse enam ya Dr. Benjamin Ochre Ankra epepe ya
prokujo ene
we de nipa mi se oyi ayifa nanim nyina sei na enkwan no menim konfa so me tu fufu no so sa in fact
abo abendia
mehwa ebe odwani ni oh no ode atu fufu ne so
utim se
sa abade adunya tade esu sei
se wanya sa ase adno
asa die bi
ode davi adno to je kakra bi
na ayi na bu 90 do
je na bu 90
yesi suro na
se we abode ni 9 na da hoyi
kotodwe no
na de abo ade na enya de enya nbia
oh
nipa de
ebe na nhwina
ade ya mpese enkofo hwe umom
na jeko odi ade atu so
dabi jeko logo no ye what man de bi no
enta so kra de fato left haka kra bi
on fato left bia o de beto me de ho na nebum on pe ba ko na ye eyi no
ya e controvie bi na me
enkola Argentina meganza
oh na se we na no ya wa
nti akola ayi ya friends ayi
dwana mo ya wa
na akola hu aponje enya ponje ne shop complete genitals ni na complete
that's what woman try you no
ya sam na kan ya yi free ho
we ya man be man dua so nya ne be man
be nya be ma hwehwe we ya be ma ya wife
half mpo nya fu
ya wife
said the TV na hunu omo hu dada
enyemwa when na ma hu sampa mo anu nipa sem opening to the ones in Dr. Benjamin Ochre mo amope aponche ayi no mo mra me hwe we de
aponche hwa kan sa
mesumi nim ba bia mo ton no na openi enye se bia aponche na yi nkwan na mpesem de kire ewi ase ya we ohu no kre ba akopɛ food and drugs authority o ma dwuma ne say
so when na enuane e bedidi ne enura hodo e be no ho hwɛ se
enuane e wo dwa so ne ade no I think say it's about time say omo chichi nipa bi okruma na omo giant sanfo na omo de omo ni tezi omo so no hwɛ openi nkrofo bi ye aduane ton okruma o menim nipa o ka hwɛ omo kwan say omo mra meton aduane
na no so no
o ka say
for no ko yes
abi openi na nipa no say aduane uni aduane no e by force o beton aduane hwɛ nkrofo bi ko to kenke bi o na oh come on na say nipa say ni agya na mane no aduane ne ton o be na obi a waye na yi bi kama bi a ope license ono person of family kwan so ye open license there baba be
but for you know those people no na no omunye you certified of phone
and make they also certify ade bia di pande bia ni besi wakane azizo no mu
say anajo boko na de che de besi o
aso bobo siso
opinion ti ase
matter the can say but what I'm trying to say is that
so me ro store ko yi ni ama
o system
meba I don't storm de won't me rura ekoyi na nyoma esisi kwan ho a be bia light si so aye ton ama enuane bi ama foto they say obi aton ache
kwame kwaku eno no storm no they go there working hours during a year they go but say aha no sa kwanchen for no obi wo ho a opon adwuma akura na ni table no wa minimum won de me che wa butu table no ya pe ba bia atwe enti no Abobe say 7-8 more baby no.
Go to a time mba night market now me form me try ticket more manager.
Yes some time ago now.
Mechanism open to me ka so.
Na o kan da na say aduane de na o kan.
Debi na say aduane ho anya aduane o say to mani padi.
Ne de no
to ko makama ovia no ohun ho no ajai.
Ani na kama na me.
Na kama na ya jai.
Eni e se na
hwe tiesi e ka se mu pa aduane ankofo na almost akọ tugu kwa no. Enye easy. O say so nye se bi obi a o sisa no ma no wa aduane na wo no.
Me kwaji
e kan to ba drum go kwa ye sam kwa guso pa o ti ho na usu utim
ngo light super ti me foforo so kra ma san ye fita
ni nam say din yo dunia daje pa se why na come out what are we ni ba no nya gini sika so be di o
asem no akai
so be di o say apo tun sa ponchi na me ya ma so ntime
me say asem no bi atomi me wi akete o aja adane
open me ka say me wo yi wani sa
me ji fufuo na nam disi
why na wo so ye ho adwuma
so de nya FDA fo na be kan hwe o so wo po bi o ya de empire no be ni yi
ana so standard authority
na bi eno nyo ma adwuma
so me na so mo standard
da bi we no ese say local authority
na test officers
who say de okay me and dem hu bi ba say de okay say ayifo itimi court ticket mo wanadwo say omutua tax
na first no mo ye
so omutimi ye sa de ene sa nkrofo no because district bia ne omo won nkrofo a omo ye in charge they under health directorate no
environmental health
environmental hygiene for
but no man be ka dia na hwe na dia obi no ko kan he
tie omo sankrofo no ene ma wo
permit dia omo adwuma ne se aduane na aduro bia nipa beto bi adia so mo hwe se papa na me ka ho asemi
na se aduane ye no kra so mo ka hwe se papa
so mo se aduane no ne ba bia no ni nyina ye fine
ai techere ma ye fa so bia ne di o edi o mbeka se nyei no bi so fobi mami ko fufu wadi yasi du bizera to da ntina na manfo kanka no na sinche ntina
oh we ena ade so ne ka hwe no ntino na da ne da nyina no wan be
ejofo se ejofo safa ayi aponchi ade se bomo check ya se de okay se nkola hu anyi
kan be ma
omani bo wo so se tawe ne free so na enka ayi no kuduo no ati ase Kanu kwanda enye hu ti se de we ni tua so
na se ba okay da ko se homo wona se yenye dede na obi wo fu na boys yakofa fufu na de mu ye dede ebi ni yentwam free ade obi na ma wato yentwam free ho bi na je asema make na makwa to fufu ma je na ntwina mienu ma mi asasrade aguani ko hohoro mensa mete ho mi twa ba ko mienu je se emfa babia enam no so amene ho na hohoro mensa ntime hohoro mensa me so re ma amena aba wa wie am se ha ma wie o ade am se onya bibia ade wa me ana am se onya bibia ana ho ntiapo wa afere ko aro asibi uma me fa yo ano baya na gari so bisa bra na ade na am se oh nya bibia ma nya ayibinti wi 15 cedis ena me to no bo na fufu no kran so aba those days if you want to mention you biem tibe here test officers will be bia na twa na yo mama kan he
when si obi mu afanisi wa ai
nko ebi nko anye toku
o yinti wen be ni
hwea ombe di
etu de amanfo de di ana mo yanko yie no tino wa ma na gina mu saa
se omo mbetwa kankam ya no twa ono no won tifio kankam ya nya komu nko ade a se de se nya de se so de
on kansem kankam ya so no de ka de no obi a otie beti ase a abi gina na kankam ya so de we
onye twa ne komu saa no se de se nya de ono mfa ho de hia se duru ne yamu nti omo de omo ba no bare se de na kana is true o say yinya nkrofobia ombe hwese duane amo ye na papa chance nkrofo bokagu bare bi so ho a o ka gata ho banku no ebi ko yo
aperi eno no kra na ya na wachi na sisi bota ho no na ya na
de papa
mutaye pa na
e ko bezi bi fro gata ho je ne ko yi papa ma men wagu no antimi a maintain standard no ama ye na akora bia wono anya sisi years akwakobo football oye minister wo Suriname.
Akori.
When you're 60 years.
Trainer. Kennedy passing Biakan.
What is it?
This more advocate for testing officers. When we tested, are you
ready?
She lies for no so.
And they say illegal.
What is that? Alimu. Oko ayecho.
Illegal.
Ade okobina nyana.
We dey.
We sakana say okobina nyana.
Madam Bina Nukunu make us say krano we jaware long time na Nukunu pema ma. Be mana timi kokofo baby na oba no ba be catch any say ene dey ba ku bi okofa dey. Enyenyenyen. Obemaro wọ́n kọ́ bọ̀ tí a kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀bẹ yìí àbànú.
Ọ̀sán bẹ kájẹ.
Ọba bẹ kájẹ nìyẹn nù. Bẹ́sẹ̀ ọmọ ìjà àwọn ayé bẹ 5 years ago. Ọbẹ kájẹ ọba sẹ wà yá dùnà mà ẹ sẹ obi ẹni sẹ ọ̀nà ẹ̀kyẹ sẹ ní dwuma wo di àrùn ti nù ọ̀nfà nsìyẹn ní rí bìí. Na ọba sẹ àbùnà wọn kà sẹ nyàmìyẹ kyerẹ ọ paa. Ẹ̀dá ọsẹ adé ọsẹ oyè ọba. And then back be uncle Friday, you. Oh, catch your right here.
Oh, why you are well, map of India?
And I have an answer card.
I know because of where I have 5 years ago.
Oh, dear.
No, it's me. You
have any last us in some Kakran. Eagle Prophet. Randolph Udrojebi. Wakoka or survive from Kumansi said, Ghana, Pasia Wakapa. Team Nigeria, Democracy, Apia, and Stephen Apia.
I appear mission.
Or because the pianist will appear. Yamia actually said, oh, you did me 2 moments on bit Macody World Cup, the Abre. And you'll see and found only players on Befa. Omanas are hanging down Musunti. One hour down for naked, so only the Beccasadia. Now, players be home yaka. Okay, interlice in Ashwood, born on Wasam. Interlice play a share who said, Grofubia Trabetina, or say Betin. Penny, around 70 said, Masters and Toco players 2 beer. Yeah, I didn't see a poem in our one count was asking. But who cried your sign that a year Richmond Lamptino?
Yes. It's also a town by minimum. On
cry only a sign every and I said to say, I was saying almost 1 year, was almost one Barcelona junior team. Almost $3,000 and so. Oh, they said they are here because on some money, I just say, when ever buying now you say a friend say as good for him. Papa you buy in as one ton player. I feel when you play about or ton you say Prince Upukwajima was visa. Oh, yes, go for about some Baba JITC. International transfer. I'm buy every phone say to see ideas are a players no more say team in the and South almost one. And get cow be one hunty, one to me for a mom. Oh, opening. Charlie. You know, is that much business at the Asababa? Maybe I can't call it.
That's a relegation, baby. Oh, so Kobasia,
oh, I brought you yet to be cracked for life.
Juventus, relegation. Oh,
we are banned for life, crash and more, Ramon, Map. It is serious issue. Now, young to us when you anymore. They said they had Nessia Koyane and Gomodino. Open me boy today say I'm here Miluna and Baba Blasters team. The Yaka Conedy. Now, say, and run a me ye calculation can I check it says $1 no cry says Ghana bar.
Uja Fabaji say, but say, Milo, you see a man is $45,000. Yes, sir. A month. Tenokra, okay, Cambo. Let's just say, yes, Kakito opening. Yeah. Yes, more now. I did Papa because one cannot your man say 25 was no crisis and be brave.
And Sana, I think your assistant coach is true. Also, be any trying to come more than less than $10,000.
Wow,
$10,000 crisis. Say what they call a human. Let's say 60,000. No, can you say 100 million a month? You want to be you, but no cray woman and say. Open no crow, you know, say, I dream, say, ye be say, Sika way. And the aquaco cap when we are there. And ye, now ye hire.
I was here forget it. Nah, you follow, I shed that build a team Langaza. because we are too good.
Team no so dey be build there just yes ake omo wo yi nyina sisi na ye pefo fro se ye hyehyɛ
na e ba sa enu mom na ye.
Oh yes,
enu mom na ye the best year no ye nja ye nyani mfiri so ye kwaje cap no because cap no de we mu say na milo no minti dia me kanda no mu antie se second coming no ya na mfaza.
Oh na nya second coming Ronaldo dia fa mani
on kwa de so no so akoko ba bebre on de nya second coming no ona wakwa obewie no obewie no obewie ho
ayi obani Barcelona team is ni say esi ni trase kakra na no adapa
ayi no men can so trase
Granada ashe Barcelona 1 na boy 90 minutes yaso additional time na Barcelona take Barcelona ne Granada ebo e wo mu home na o take kabere ani je
almighty camp no
Barcelona gi o mani zero magic cap no watika amana ye 1-1 na omko jinzefo wo na Ronald Koeman ozi Barcelona for no more how ozo mo hawa na oneti say na Messi na kata so say ya petri no ahye na so ma dwen fi so but otwe ne hu na won adapa ase won hwe na obi atwe won to enti say oba dia oba makura dia say ase ye obofriki o kata ha no nko anu bo ba so dia nkankan ho so kakra o hu say o kata top ana so kata down
eno no
eden ya ba
oyo bibini dia obeja top no akata down but obroni dia obeja down no akata top.
Samu.
Oh yeah.
So bibini beja top.
Bibini beja top no. Npokuya no beja ni npokuya no wosoro. Edne sa kata na kusuo kuma so.
Ana sa research oye no.
But obroni
dia obakata npokuya no so.
Ni npokuya no so eja na kusuo kuma.
We be adipo for dey na okana.
Abrof obroni.
Ovalu ni.
Obroni oba gina naked. Na ni
kanu for na to na go mo woni han. Npokuya okana wani han.
Npokuya o. Odne sa be kata ne pokuya no so sei na waja ano omo no ne mentality ne say won oba gina ho a ne vin area hanom se dia aye no enye ne engine ankasa na uhunu sa ubehu pbk no
e bi dey on ma na pie ni
sa ubehu pbk no all right but uhunu engine anti obegina na wakoba ne but obibini de na adwen say uhunu say na wahu ade na kasa engine no kwa kokoba ho na jare nufu
akosu nyina nya pe
akosu ade so okoto say dia na wa kire na bobu ne mo gina ho pa dia kwa kuna
front view
na na say na aduane die obi dia ba
COO
interest
awon ade bia ma me o say
okay
saka o di we
why you know aduane na sama na o kan obi say o UK your friend no Miriam Dawkins o say na aduane abrofo no be test hwe na sa standard and requirement and open well meeting to omo fine no 10,000 pounds
omo found is
also adie etwi ya na bibu mani buso still I was out for reverse
eju maso wanu antenna pa
omo fine 10,000 pounds telling
sir ene kwanye
o se standard
e kwa mboni ndi ene Ghana ane gagro ye ti
o meet requirement e bia
obani nkwane nye
o trust nkwane o trust nkwane debi e bia o ya bitie o bi on certification e bi kwa se onya
no ngi afa on be de o mo fa on mo
ana obi bizan so obi bizan so timiti ai because 10,000 pounds yes ka to o
yesika wa
sika mu duru papa ona ne bebre
abani Lisbon say hi good afternoon greet my friend for me why I'm listening.
Oh okay Lisbon near chiam
once more there say there abena
is one an ko master osu janchia na dia semba ne be dia obani ama amoabia they say ofri boso
na ono bra no
boso
uko hu ne here ono
enu boso
ama amoabia free enu boso obani obani ade
o jobani so enu boso bi asa
ade o kan boso
o nya no na menka
de na o kan
they say oko boso Sisi ameka so Okaswa Obomu Road.
Oh, okay.
Na isi oti Adom FM papa. Eti ama amwabia ufiri enumbu so azise oti Kaswa Obomu Road. Yetu che edema opa.
Eti efi enumbu so ba yi no. Ena me hwe se earlier message ba yi no. No onu sufie.
Onu free odan.
Ana ukopɛ den ho.
Oh, haya.
Wan ko da.
Tebi.
Ono free oda ba.
Oh, me see haya.
Ase adwuma mu ya. Ene ni eden.
How can adwuma na?
Ya, wo ka wie mpo.
Ene ni eden.
Adwuma FM.
Okay, we impo. Okay, frame for the assembly. Oh, na ayi atopa festival.
Na so my read na.
Na onim say ohene na ya ye fufu party kro be chair na nti. So we free mu.
Oh.
Na boy am we free mu. Next 2 weeks on by na yi 14th.
Oh,
13th to 16th.
You kunkum bag ya hene no.
No. We ohena ono so atopa festival. Ono so be na ntwie ne bi. Oni ko fie je. Ono ko so
na so no de.
Say na ntwie de bre hwan.
Ene this we fe da inquiry.
Na boy am wa.
No, design na ntwie ne ba da be ya obeso.
This obusa ko fie je. Oh, Charlie. Oh, dear. Fete go ma fete for mon kafra.
Waka papa idi na yemfa shaba mo mami di so enfam ya eno so e ba so den
opani answer na be announcement ma mfa we enfam answer.
Okay.
Obi trust ade we enra na ni abre we say fix the country o say fix ni ma bebre na ti message no pa cho aya ron ko twi ma me wadaroma.
Okay.
Or say I don't know who is in charge.
Transfer.
But unlike their colleagues at Cantonment, La Paz, and other places, the Ashawo at Osu are often late to work. So 10 p.m. and not even one person is by the road. Are we serious as a country?
That is so.
We may not mean to more to say.
Your patron in answer.
I don't know who is in charge, but like their colleagues.
Only Paco or no shower for Krum hanging out. Now, a bit more moment is one affair for. I know you're here for.
I say at Cantonment La Paz, I shall no more Osuno. Osu for and I shall for Osuno. Omo Majumantem. Ochema, Omo La Paz and the Samika Secromacha Serada. Omo Bejina. Cantonment is on bar no pano. Omo dia Omo dia than Biba and Bico. About 10 it's 10 p.m. and not even one person is by the road. About and I do not do one in the more. Make us a minute or better minute. I say, are we serious as a country? I said to me, you never prepare.
Uncle Daniel in Jane. No Nancy, who now to honor.
When you be an away.
And your Uncle Pebe in town on you.
A man only licks a plate when he knows he's eating alone.
Mamifa, my dear, from now. Oba Penny Felicia. Ya abwajiwa adodo na freno mami ya anase shaba mami
bacho Mrs. Fenton from I send me a message and I say I'm listening to you inti me manager nyumre
Mrs.
Yeah. Mrs. I send you message with here nyumre odo ewu yes ya chia o papa why Obetimeka.
But boko. Mami you me ba mami you no. Eti abusuafo de omu se nyame ya adom a. October bosumi a e ba be wremu yi. Ne de dikan toso mienu ene ne de toso miensa ena oba pani Felicia ya aboajewa adodo na afre no mami ya anase shaba mami. Na yi no baso ewo kwu asaka nti eye nana kwame nafak eye life fm director ne maame no na ayi set ejeba honorable set ejeba eki shaba ɔno so ne maame ɛna yɛka asɛm on the 1st, on the 2nd, and then on the 3rd ɛna na yi no bɛba so na sɛ Friday, Saturday, Sunday ɛwɔ yɛ kɔw asaka ɛhɔ na ɛyi no bɛba so ntia na ɛgyamfo nyinaa moahyɛ no so na moaba bɛka abusua no ho na ɛyi ɔno nso atumi akɔ so na ɔmo akora maame no akyi kama.
Okay, Obani Saturday ya so nanama adoahema ba ne yonko pa baako one ne wa Amsterdam ne maame oba pani abena bema emso no so na yebe koso Ashanti region apibuoso ho okay apibuoso so odin ho kwara so no mbesi omo be kra no na
eyabawo kosi amusa akode.
Oh, okay.
Was in a yard match now with you, ha? I'm a senior near woman. Opinion because I was a cordial channel. What about habit from Kobe? Is I best uncle show half in Woba. Tea and yard match in the channel. I said an American and boy, I'm one, almost 13th to 17th October. Guma fete or Hineno. Okay. What can't Chinago? And I got a cockra or quackra. Na Basia, as for Hene. All
right. Your first dama pro sponsors na yen traso eno Kale Charcoal Toothpaste papa yeah ifi Samara Company Limited. Patro we know ye de charcoal ana bidie na ye de anro ne kama pa na edi dwuma se o se no stains bi e wo so bia ne ade no ni na be mana ko unya good fresh breath papa whiter teeth na fe so ama se cavity bi na nke background ne ade a preventing na kama e de ama pe bi echi akwan fd so emuhwe mu agya atum se Kale Charcoal Toothpaste or say happy smile. A first day you emfa Emma royal drinks or say you go like them. Anonia bakwa then you mu asort royal apple, royal cola, royal orange and a royal cocktail. We don't know perfect flavors now in so go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you. Are just 2 cities 50 pesos. Wifi Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door phrase 0262 351 251 or 0272 133 373. As they do on Go TV, or say any obey me stay connected on Go TV. Now I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, any other leagues now coming in all connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. While bro using my Go TV app. Now dear Courtney, dear Benny, now also wait to me Go TV. Love it. Now as Dana Edion Ako Ediama in boost herbal mixture. In boost herbal mixture, aka police nedruno papa abusia pebia cha kwan na we no eya wonders wunya nom in boost herbal mixture bia na yare bia wo hunu na no dey na dey ko atia no enso be kohwe no ba ku bia asuma akra oni padua ni ba bia wunya hu ye no eno abawura kɔ nipadua na kɔ aba bia akɔ class ayare ni na dey afio na ho ato na immune system no so no wa hyene den hyene kutupa ma no ho bare tiare bia infection bia yese ba system mpa away na clear no na bibia akoyie edi amao King's Walk Herbal, Echoes Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Afe Alternated and dependable bar shops across the country. Health and Health Shop at St. John's and Odo any more Little George Health Shop and also Community 5 Tema. Ubenya biato if you yes our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496 na dudu bia ohia bia no ye de asom kama and nay Vodafone akofa Vodafone 2 match business e de aba we no or patch say no two businesses are the same e den business bia one different needs. And Nunti Vodafone 2 match business and the best mobile plan on the market with awesome value for amazing results. Nina so a new bit me design wow mobile plans. Akasa attested at the idea can in na ho e wa bra no e match wow you unique business model said the tiano. Na nina say with me and that flexibility now I customize our voice SMS data plan yeah be fit to business no and no budget only very important part because I the unya anka ben so botom so we dey fitting na pepepe e the amount ye nei with me grow business no na match o ambitions ni na e wa bra che say we no mobile package ya bakuya che say same price ya na yes adwumadi na e dia ma opeso sign up send the start that's START for call 050-777-9000 and I'll send email vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com and no I don't know Vodafone together we can na ya sorto bibia nso atimi akoye e de amount ewo wadwuma wo ye no emu da ya ka yesi fili experience no available ya nso betimi enjoy ni nyina ne se o ma onsa ka the new HD plus decoder na nso atimi ehu bibia wo hwe bia o TV no so no when you 5 times clearer and brighter picture quality. Alternatively, say or a Samsung UHD and QLED TV. I'll bet me I share na what download my HD Plus app no from the Samsung App Store. Now I enjoy no in this Philly experience quality I can. And yes, I connect to HD Plus decoder and be from the nearest Electroland and as a multi-TV dealer nationwide. Every HD Plus decoder be able to be answered. Say, so activating our brow dial *879#. Now I follow prompt to unlock the HD channels as well as 2 months free subscription. Now after the free trial period, no, SSL will dial *879#. Now was subscriber for either 1 week and now 1 month and now 3 months and now 12 months package. Yeah, and only has 7 cities, 25 cities, 60 cities, 210 cities respectively. Na bibia etimi afana kwem pepepe. Nyame Adom abosumi omu ewiye na the Richoko National Essay Competition, you know, submission of entries no ebeba ewiye. Na chese closing date no aso. I am talking about the 30th of September 2021. It you or prepanese obetrubia. The time to do so is now. So you will be our upper primary, junior high, and our senior high. Now our Ghana ha. Obetro essay. Yeah, no. Or address it the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now was stating the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. And no, any essay oba betro no as I say your wow handwriting now what sure we no parents and our guardian and now say our class teacher I endorse it. Now the 10 empty packs of Richoko 20 grams and now 1 empty pack of Richoko 500 grams and now 1 empty pack of Richoko 1 kg or they share or entry no at the account. Now I drop your entry no at the Accra Central Post Office. Adenta Post Office na via Chimota Post Office. And yes, I fako Malcolm Outlet a war Accra Central Adabraka Malcolm Plus or North Industrial Area. Afe Dansuman, Springtest, Madina, Tema, Ashama na Chimota, Kisiman, East Legon, Abeka, Weja, Ashoman, Frafraha, and Afenya. Medical catch that closing date for submission of entries near 30th September 2021 na wetimi edon ajimbi obetimi anya further details efi Cadbury Richoko Facebook and afi Instagram pages no na emuchichi mu awdo ni na no onsa etimi aka ede free ho abusia the sorry goil higher grade fuel yeah ni ye kanfo ede amount bomode amount onsa nka bi we know tried and tested, proven and accepted over the years. Yeah, yes, suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. In addition to such superior qualities in Goya higher grade fuels, no, Yasan 45 and feather with the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer, you're more efficient, eco-friendly, now at no extra cost. And until Bomodi answer be flare up. Say your Goyle Super XP on 95 and I say Diesel XP. Emuye, yet on every Goyle fuel station be not just selected Goyle fuel stations. So fill up with Goyle higher grade fuels. It's I say Ajibe be Goyle, good energy, Goyle. Yeah, dim. Na adofoi D1 birthday. Yentra and 2 moms is here to nafi yentwaso enko yenim. Reverend Dr. Nanaya Owusu Prempe, chairman and it's a chairperson. So you're bad. There's one control chairman. Okay, so Reverend Dr. Nanaya Owusu Prempe, a chairperson, and then CEO Edema Tenifa Group. Miami Mami pa on also AD Nauda. Man, happy birthday pa. Mommy me pa mefro na me ama to happy birthday ama. Na me to already no so am for be dwan nti. That is. Na and then so Counselor Elder Emmanuel Obeng ne birthday. You wish no happy birthday. De radiase say ode afibako aka nimfie ehon. Na we efi ne wife Mrs. Abigail Obeng ena ne mba no KKKK for no. Kezia, KZ, Karen and Kelsey. Beautiful ladies pa. Omuna some ewe show. Happy birthday pa. And also very good day. Please help me wish Madam Dennis Ria of glorious Ria a glorious happy birthday. I pray for the good Lord to bless her and then keep her safe and healthy and provide for her all her needs and heart desires according to his riches in Christ Jesus. And also, na you free and no swa and that yenya bema Seth Kwame Boateng ne birthday. Seth Kwame Boateng and then the birthday. So happy birthday going to Seth Kwame Boateng. Na Francisca or say to 27 countries say or show happy birthday pa. And afe Cecilia Akoto Somia omunina say omo we show happy birthday. Seth Kwame Boateng nyame onsho aminu abema. Ono bra Kwame ana me friend no. And now we so say hello senior please wish my brother and childhood friend the graft upon well known as Lobos. I hope that's how you pronounce it. A happy birthday for me. He is the CEO of Lobos Logistics. May the good Lord continue to bless the works of his hand and then favor him and his family as well. From Askia and Vibrant family, wishing you a happy birthday. Okay, Vibrant family. Young mommy whom right now. Happy birthday also going out to Alvin Kwame Hood. Or Maps Montessori, and then Josephine Dua Ajima of Consolidated Bank. Best of wishes going out to the two of you from Prince Humado. Na ifi enoswa the ADA and so I'll say help me wish Agnes, my midwife, Odum of Tema. Is it polyclinic? Tema there polytechnic be no yatra. Okay, I think say polyclinic. Okay, so so help me wish my midwife Odum of Tema Polyclinic a happy birthday. And I thank Dr. Baini, Stella and all midwives at the antenatal and then labor ward. May God bless all of them. And if you know so, we also say happy birthday to midwife Agnes Odum from Harriet Mate and labor ward team. Enjoy today, and may the good Lord continue to bless you and yours as well. Abusua yan fanchre ho na fe yentwa hotel ya ba de aka mu bia no ye behwe na ya clear ni na afim na bibia so atimi akose de esese eko.
Oh boy, no one is soon. Chale many ho. As I say, me rush do fiesta see our games were ho. Nothing Thursday. Nanka say the Go TV Thursdays are yet the rough. UEFA Europa League and Daso and the UEFA Conference League in Sutia. Wow, when now Go TV so. Nanka Minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana Cedis Benya decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max so now we enjoy games in na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa any Conference League fee. Hey, now quite jammy came here. Sell per cell to new decoder. Text the GoTV code short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my GoTV app no so. And she share a crowd. GoTV, love it.
Sami no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de missing. And mommy confidence. The morning in
Se wishia ama na me sifite gusuna mesrea. Eya wawa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi missing. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mwawa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so ni yet center for.
Media magic Kale Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me use no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sin ye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ani ama me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC ye fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Mo wonum ye hwam. Enu nti mo amonum coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tumo. At Sankofa, yenchi. There's nothing wrong going back to get what may still be yours. From 18 September at 8 p.m., tune into the explosive second season of Sankofa on Aquaba Magic Channel 150 on DSTV for a second season of drama, tears, joy, rejection, and reconciliation. The show helps identify reasons why couples break up and support them in fixing their lost relationships and love life. Get a DSTV decoder, dish, and a 1-month access for 169 Ghana cedis and upgrade to the compact bouquet for 108 Ghana cedis to experience the home of Ghanaian content. Terms and conditions apply.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Voice number! Share! Why do you say Ubet may invite players to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them? What do you say? Ubet me yatinka and want you big games no, I want them. Onia, what do you say? Ube enjoy home ground advantage. El Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues a kuku them you know, bro. I want them. Anna, Jano for 89 Ghana cedis. Called you GoTV decoder. Any year, now upgrade called GoTV Max. No fear, and yes, sir. Football, if you are Kasa. Self result to new decoder. Test the GoTV called short code 1731. GoTV, love it.
Drama from day one.
Alandia Eva Bill, she said was sorry, now shed a foot for ye. I say, a bit to me, a yama, baby, I'm out. Alandia Eva milk, what will make you feel like wow?
Anopabia, num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Eje di nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. It's a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Dada. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
At Sankofa, yenchi. There's nothing wrong going back to get what may still be yours. From 18 September at 8 p.m., tune into the explosive second season of Sankofa on Aquaba Magic Channel 150 on DSTV for a second season of drama, tears, joy, rejection, and reconciliation. The show helps identify reasons why couples break up and support them in fixing their lost relationships and love life. Get a DSTV decoder, dish, and a 1-month access for 169 Ghana cedis and upgrade to the compact bouquet for 108 Ghana cedis to experience the home of Ghanaian content. Terms and conditions apply.
Say Lonat, 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 Lonat. Hey, Lonat, 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 Lonat. Lonat, Lonat. Then come cotton, Lonat, Lonat, Lonat. Malaria syrup, Lonat.
Everybody follow not sa malaria. A 3D till Lonat now. Won't malaria too. Whoa, popo. What do you do? I want you. Lonat, Lonat. Adabako. No. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat it scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yenshishemu hu se malaria wa umojam ansana wanum Lonat. Na nam yensearch na malaria no daso wo ho ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Charlie, Nancy Abrabo insisi susukra. Nipa sori anopa. Obeba no homodin sa, but still you know the far. Of late, said your mom for winnie star 959 hash. Mobile loto no. Se man from ho anhemu a. Unia la wo. Isa say, miti hey, if you have a bar prepaid, eye mia. Odi on so so die tua na no say, ne ba na dane papa. Enti ne so ate no, eye mia. Boys so dwen say abehye me. Enti nsa no, eye mia. Me nya ba keto so dwen say me bomba. Enti ne credit no, eye mia. Say wan so wonje jam you. Ntade hyemu, ne trini, ene ne fingernails na, eye mia. Sports bets so emfa aden a. Sema you.
Boga, make them not tell you. Oh, how dear, and Sando, near here and say, you just for make more money. Dial star 959 hash and now call 590mobile.com.gh. Not to be, one so would dear no bet to me as 590 mobile. Head down some.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Oh ma, pachomenya milk akrawa mi milo ni mwana.
Na waka ahwe.
Gabi na sme hu sa odi biegumu.
Hey, ka wanu hwan sana we bisame.
Hey, milk na chemu say.
We Milo all in one no. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk cho, bibia womu.
Milo all in one a milk bebe womu dada. Ne hia ne se wudi nsu befra, no ati nwani nomu de a cocoa papa, ne malt and a milk bebe a de ahye sachet ba komu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDA dreading kratoi atumu.
I don't know what to get for my mom on her birthday.
I think I need something unique and authentic for the choir this year. Ooh, for me, I want a beautiful African print fabric to be used as souvenirs for my engagement.
Babe, we need to get Dad a new shirt when we visit him this weekend.
For your authentic Woodin fabrics and ready-to-wear outfits made from exclusive designs, visit Woodin retail shops nationwide. Feeling good in Woodin? Make your loved ones feel good too.
Woodin, le créateur.
Hello, Ajua.
Mom, me ni panisi opeso be me ho adio.
Oh, eni jesam kai me na me fa jama soap 15 boxes. Enka enyoma obeto no ho why?
Hey, mom.
She, abribiara obetena se wo si enyoma no. Wonyonko ba ko pa ebema untade efi na aye hwehwehwam. Eni jama soap. Bisa papa.
Na se me hu se da abo ma we si enyoma da.
Hey, sa handkerchiefs no. Me fa cho.
Jama soap, ebonu ni o mesidi a. Onu ani wa problem yonko. Ye de jama detergent powder for ready. Share ni mu. FDI didn't cry to ya to mu.
Alandia Eva Bill, she said was sorry, na shed a foot for ye. I say, ebe to me a yama, baby, I'm out. Alandia Eva milk. What will make you feel like wow?
Anopabia, num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Eje di nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Hollandia no paye
Munia, yeah. Get to unlimited calls with Vodafone Red. So no one yana.
Jack, me too no expiry with Vodafone Red.
Hey, star 200 hash me boy. Hey, Matthias here. When you be what?
Vodafone Red, no lie. Coco have to be top man to you because I call a browser.
Vodafone Red, star 200 hash system. Cecilia, ye casa coronia browser. Star 200 hash. Maui unlimited calls. Call Vodafone to Vodafone. So data boom full. Talk time be bria. What be friend now for 4 more other networks. So we and Sado a bonnet da from now. We know sika home fast one. So Vodafone Red dear. We know. But star 200 hash. May you package ya a yamau. A free one Ghana CD aircrawl.
Vodafone.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
OfieKwanso, with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
That's Reverend Alexander Bruce Gatti, aka Uncle Ato, on the 2nd of October, and a birthday. It do second a berry, great to have in your portrait. As it was speedy up, don't know. I was here to fill out about the trust from my near court, make us say, I'm able to attend, but please don't forget, sir, it's been 25 amazing years with you, and to celebrate this huge milestone, we are giving you 25, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, 25 of the 2021 Sonata Heavy One Power. Our MTN at 25 mega promo no emo. Cause why use MTN number no? For casa, for test, for browsing. Use MTN app no pause app no momo no use you gain more points. Now so it mean ya kai move back home. On the answer by dial star 156 hash today to begin your journey to win big only on MTN. Everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Mami Bota Tanasi. Na Mami Bota Tanasi dear. Not just say. A filler time, baby. My boat. Good evening.
Good evening.
Me passion now what to say.
Mafio.
Oh yeah, I asked me who watch here.
Mafio. Yes. No level na with the show street in one of them. Still I want my shock.
There be no say on the low na near my crack.
Level on your low.
Charlie. Oh no. Normal level, you know what I'm saying? Normal level. I say.
Yeah. The chroma show pop. Yeah. The heat no. And then I'm coughing one now. Now when you say heat no, check it there before.
Yeah.
Mo pon ho kakra cho. But you no controversies be bria ben you no ho. So many there and you no some no. E binum se there or your word play. But word play no or you so and you no the can same be. Na brother me mbon you no do kakra te. Me mbon you no. Na but tell me to. Asa.
Sister. Hey, young call.
I say, what bring motivational speakers? Hey, one share no kwana no.
Yeah.
Ya bring motivational speakers. One share yen kwano.
Yeah.
Ya parent nubi. Say what? Yes, I'm here. Say what am here? Someone say na ba. Inta honum no soro inta cheda na ba na mo no abunizi no honum no abuna bedi kokko abuna kokko and I say onu wendi ze wabra gobe nizi inta mo link me Mr. John Mati se wabu ni pedu jombu edu mama ngumeza nka jombu
Charlie what plenty of tight
anya sam kakra ba
on point
Asam na we di say why the we be mat one when the say one chai and because Range Rover na watch you know you baby because e dey nyina na yele but why dey binum sisi jebi mo see binum ni na baby na za one chai and kwan no one chai and kwan because I said yen so sisi bi na controversy ne be no na when the say why quiet kakra nti no yen shada yen say no hit at dem girl say my bonizi na dey all hit na when you say Riabria, me who the why you post to be. Na brother Richard's Ochowi. Also the musicians were very emotional. I say musicians are emotional. But that's what them all being
I say musicians are emotional.
Exactly.
Are emotional people. Where do you guys think we write and sing from? You got to be emotional to bring the song to life. Listen to the pain and emotions behind my new hit song. You will know I mean every word in there. Life is hard, yeah. Charlie, no be lie, yeah. Gonna wake up.
I'm gonna wake up and now brother quickly no grumpy na your dogs here can they be an commercial now and the pain coming in the grumpy when your hip dislocation. Hip dislocation
as a result of the heaviness of the winner.
Rabana come on a lap dance. No, but you call video no to honum. Rabana come on a lap dance.
Na man what the picture na otino so no kra no. Radish ni party was ya won.
Me the flowers amen. Mo why is the flowers down here booking that come grumpy. Into no flower fabra. Yes, boko guinea. Yes, I come grumpy but main chara what I'm story no do. Keche kwami apia watching him.
Yeah.
I remember, but when you be a trap, but I cram him. I yet catcher watching him.
A trap, yeah. A trap on team, yeah, when he a trap on team, yeah, yo. Hey, Jigija, Jaja, Jigija, Jaja, Jigija, Jaja, baby, oh, so me. It's not just I don't know.
No, why the benkumehene?
Okay.
Benkumehene. No, congratulations on Koma Kechi. Kwame Apia. Events no so Esho Nyagwer.
Yeah.
I hear from you home the womb.
I'm off for Ebo Remupa.
Kechi Ayazimbo. More Pio.
Yeah.
Not Roger Mami face day. Stories no more call Adom online. Ebehu stories no, but you dozia. Baby will be a settlement the more of the into no more sorrow joy into the Yamami Boatima, the front president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Masardo.
Good. I was saying, Mammy Boatin and kind of say, dear, fella, it was brought to us by Vodafone. Yeah, now Vodafone offer good morning offer at the Aba. Now you can have an even greater morning with the Vodafone Good Morning offer. The Good Morning bundle gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, and 500 MB of data. The bundle works with any other bundle you will have or will subscribe to, so just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. A happy birthday going out to Obinash of GPHA. That's Gapoha Tema. From your friend Mrs. Mercy Okai and the family. And a happy birthday going out to Doreen, aka Atamame, of Frankfurt, Germany. May the good Lord bless you. Wishing you happiness, prosperity, long life, and more cash. Sikana and Brabebre from Nana Kwesi. Also in Germany, Düsseldorf. Greetings, Jerry. Thank you very much for yesterday. So be pass you through Abrana. OfieKwanso WhatsApp group members no Asia na ya drink dia. Nyami shop any team ni nyina. Bibi ako ye kama. Enti e do mo buy ni na so ase. Nyami shop mu na. And na me fa akonya reason na me to check ese. E fa ma OfieKwanso WhatsApp group members no 2021 for no. Any old group ni nyina. Checha mu nyina ni re. I do believe some in our way. Yaman come on, on bomb ho by Danny Danina. Moya super. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. Yep. Time to check out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. God willing, we are back same time tomorrow. That's between 3 and 6 p.m. on Adom FM. Na de wow shoot na bro OfieKwanso. Until then, as like I say, come on on here tonight. I'm sure. Maybe in my team, Papa Bills African, to man like Jamestown Jacob, to now say I'm for J, Obri Abua Fenton Frem. And I feel so mommy boat saw the fella brain. Your friend Jerry Justice. Assembly about Cope. We show you no watch channel. No watch reaction. It's not serious. Nipa and Thanks so much for your time with us. And do have a great evening.